a huge advocate for public libraries. I have a ton of core memories from being a kid going to my public library. My mom would take us there after school to do our homework or just to get more books. The resources that it provides to people, not just children, but adults as well. You can do anything and learn anything and find whatever you need in a public library. So I remember as a kid, our public library was in a historic train station. And the architecture inside of the building was really, really incredible. And I became enthralled with it. And I had to learn the history of the building. I almost became obsessed with it. And so while I was in the library, I started finding history books about the train station that they then turned into the library. It was like a full circle moment to see where things were to where they came to be. I'll never forget going into a building and then being able to learn about the history of the building and the place that I grew up in.